Here we're looking at the Evinrude 35, and I have the nut removed off the flywheel. When I opened this up, that nut was loose, and the engine was not running. And one reason was the key, the flywheel key, the woodruff key, was sheared. So I have that removed. The flywheel being loose caused rubbing. It also caused a crack in this sensor. This sensor will be needing removed and changed. And I purchased a new flywheel because the wobbling caused a little bit of abrasion on this inside. And I saw the damage from something in the past. To me, I think it might have been a wheel puller. Might have snapped that off. So we have a new flywheel to put on, new keyway, new sensor. And once that's changed, the motor should fire right up. I suspected the keyway to be sheared because it had erratic firing. It would be coughing or spitting every once in a while. It's similar to like a lawnmower when it shears its key. So that proved to be what it was. So this has a couple wires. We got to locate where they're connected and remove those and put the new unit in. Two screws are holding the sensor in. We remove these two. Screw with a washer. Adhesive under there holding that on. There is a clip on this other side right here. This is holding the wires. That's what I didn't want to do. To retrieve bolts that you drop, I have this powerful magnet with a long screwdriver, and that makes the job very easy. Can get into real tight places that way. The sensor wires, the black and white, they go into this plug, and this is what's in that plug. So I have to remove those and press these new ones in. To remove the old sensor, you need to loosen these Phillips screws, and they stay locked in. They don't come out. Flip this over, and right here is a plate that is holding the wires. We have to loosen this, and right there, that will allow us to draw these wires out. And of course they have them taped with heat shrink. We're going to have to cut that. We may use that plastic again. Okay, that should allow us to get these two out. And I am going to feed this in is the way this is coming out. That fiber has to be snapped on there. Need these wires with the bundle. White one was on the top. These have to be pushed all the way in. I'll need to get needle nose to finish that. Here we have a new woodruff key. Okay, here's the keyway. This is inserted so it's parallel with this taper. Okay, now the flywheel locks into that. Here's the new flywheel. Okay, the new nut goes on. Now this will be torqued to 100 to 105 foot-pounds. And that's a critical setting. If not, the flywheel may spin again and shear that woodruff key. I have this flywheel clamped and the vice grips butting up against there. I'm locking this large screwdriver onto a tooth, and it's being held against the starter bracket. And now I'm going to torque this to 100 pounds. 100 pots. Bulb is tight. Nothing in the battery. Started right up.